Alright, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure the surface that you're applying your graphic to is clean of any debris or dust. Next, you're going to want to use a level or a tape measure to mark level lines of where you want your graphic to be applied. You can use tape or a pencil or anything that won't be permanent on your wall to mark these lines. Next, position the graphic to the level lines where you want it to be applied. We're going to go ahead and tape the corners of the graphic or any other part of the graphic to make sure it stays on the wall. Once it is secure, we can go ahead and place our hinge. The hinge will stabilize your graphic as we apply each side. If your graphic is a horizontal graphic, your hinge is going to want to be in the center with a vertical hinge. If you have a vertical graphic, you're going to have a horizontal hinge going from left to right. Once your hinge is secure to the wall and holding onto the graphic, go ahead and move to one of the sides. If you have a horizontal graphic, you can start with either the left or the right side. If you have a vertical graphic, you can start with either the top or the bottom side. Go ahead and peel one of the sides and pull the backing from the graphic. Once the backing has been peeled back, you can go ahead and tear that portion off. You can now apply this side of the graphic to the wall using either a straight edge or your hands. If you are using anything to push your graphic along the wall, make sure it has a soft side so it does not damage your graphic. If you are using your hands, you can use a technique where you start in the center of the graphic and push to the edges, and slowly work your way all the way down to the end. Once one side has been applied, you can go ahead and remove the hinge. Remove the hinge very carefully and make sure you do not damage your graphic. Next, pull the final side of your graphic away from the wall and have someone pull the backing as you slowly apply the rest of your graphic.